In today's video, i-review natin ang Flodesk, isang sikat na email marketing tool ngayon dahil sa ganda ng designs at user-friendly na interface. Kung naghahanap ka ng easy-to-use platform that allows you to create stunning emails and maintain brand consistency, Flodesk might be the perfect solution para sa'yo. Let's dive in. Bago pa si Flodesk sa email marketing space pero it has quickly become a favorite among entrepreneurs, small businesses, and creatives. Standout ito dahil sa aesthetically pleasing templates and incredibly intuitive user interface. Di tulad ng ibang email marketing tools na madalas complicated and overwhelming. Simple lang gamitin ang Flodesk para mag-design, mag-send, at mag-automate ng emails that look professional and engaging. Kung gusto mo itong subukan, click mo lang yung link sa description to get started. Pag naklik mo yan, ito yung page na lalabas. If you use our link, you will get 50% off your first year of Flodesk. Isa sa unang mapapansin mo sa Flodesk ay ang clean at modern design nito. Madali lang mag-navigate sa dashboard at lahat ng tools at features ay clearly labeled and accessible. Kahit anong level mo, whether seasoned marketer o baguhan, you'll find that Flodesk interface makes it easy to get started and create beautiful emails. Isa sa mga standout feature ng Flodesk ay ang focus nito on aesthetics. Ang platform ay nag-aalok ng wide range of stunning templates that are designed to make your emails look polished and professional. Ang templates na to ay fully customizable kaya pwede mong i-tweak ang colors, font, images, and layouts para ma-match sa unique style ng iyong brand. Ang mga template ng Flodesk ay designed by professional graphic designers, ensuring that each one is visually appealing at optimized for different types of emails. Mapa-newsletter, promotional email, o event invitation man, sure na may template na swak sa'yo. Makakatipid ka ng oras at effort, kaya makakapag-focus ka sa pag-craft ng message mo. Ang drag-and-drop editor ay isang powerful feature ng Flodesk. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-code o maging expert sa design, kaya kahit sino ay kayang gumamit nito. Pwede ka mag-add ng elements sa email mo sa pamamagitan ng pag-drag mula sa sidebar and dropping them into place. This intuitive approach makes it easy to create a professional-looking email in minutes. Saka bukod sa standard elements, may mga cool design features din ang Flodesk tulad ng custom fonts, image collage, decorative elements like lines and shapes. These options allow you to create visually appealing emails that capture your audience's attention. Pwede ka mag-try ng iba't ibang layouts at styles to find the perfect look for your brand. Isa pang key advantage ng Flodesk ay kaya nitong i-maintain ang brand consistency. Pag nakapag-design ka ng email na swak sa style ng brand mo, pwede mo itong isave bilang template for future use. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan mag-start from scratch tuwing gagawa ka ng new email. Pwede mong gamitin yung mga na-save mong templates to ensure that all of your emails have consistent look and feel. Crucial ang pag-maintain ng brand consistency for building trust and recognition with your audience. Sa Flodesk, madali ka makakagawa ng cohesive email marketing strategy that reinforces your brand identity. Whether you're sending an email sequence, your emails will always look on brand at professional. Ang Flodesk ay designed to be user-friendly na may emphasis on simplicity and efficiency. Ang sleek at modern na design ng platform nito ensures that all the tools and features are easily accessible. The layout is intuitive with all of the main features accessible from the sidebar. Kaya madali ka makakapag-switch between designing emails, pag-manage ng subscribers, at pag-setup ng automations without getting lost in maze of menus. Halimbawa, pag nag-login ka sa Flodesk, you are greeted with a simple dashboard that gives you a quick access to your email campaigns, workflows, and subscribers. This streamlined approach ensures that you can find what you need nang walang hassle. Ang design is clean and uncluttered, helping you to stay focused on your tasks. Pag-usapan naman natin ang paggawa ng welcome email sequence. Isa sa powerful features ng Flodesk ay ang automation capabilities nito. Dali lang mag-create ng automated emails at sequences para i-welcome ang bagong subscribers, pag-nurture ng leads, or rearrange inactive contacts. Setting up a welcome email sequence is particularly simple with Flodesk's user-friendly workflow builder. Para gumawa ng welcome sequence, you start by designing the emails you want. You can use Flodesk templates or create your own from scratch. Kapag ready na ang emails mo, pumunta ka sa workflow section at i-click ang create new workflow. Iga-guide ka nito sa pag-process ng pag-setup ng sequence mo, including choosing the trigger when someone subscribes to your list. adding emails, and setting the timing for each email. Ang Visual Workflow Builder allows you to see the entire sequence at a glance, kaya sobrang dali lang gumawa at mag-manage ng complex automations. Narito ang ilang tips to get the most out of Flodesk. Start with a clear goal. Bago ka mag-design ng emails mo, have a clear goal in mind. Kung nagpa-promote ka ng product, sharing news, or nurturing leads, knowing your objective will help you create more focused and effective emails. Test your emails. Laging i-preview ang emails bago mo isend. Flodesk allows you to see how your emails will look on different devices, kaya siguraduhin mong i-check ang desktop at mobile views. Save and reuse templates. Isa sa standout features ng Flodesk ay ang ability nitong i-save ang emails as templates. Super useful ang feature na to for maintaining brand consistency at streamlining your email creation process. Kapag nakapag-design ka na ng email that you are happy with, pwede mo na itong isave bilang template and use it for future campaigns. Para isave ang email bilang template, i-click mo lang ang Save to Favorites button. Kailangan mo lang i-name ito at lagyan ng description if you want, tapos i-click ang Save. This not only saves you time but also ensures that all of your emails ay may consistent look and feel. Ang paggamit ng templates ay isang magandang way to ensure na laging mukhang professional at on-brand ng iyong emails, whether you're sending weekly newsletters, a promotional offer, or a product update. Habang lumalaki ang negosyo mo, you'll likely need to send more emails and manage more campaigns. Super importante ang scalability for maintaining an effective email marketing strategy as your business expands. Next, pag-usapan natin ang analytics at reporting. Ang Flodesk ay may solid na analytics at reporting features para madali mong matrack kung paano magpe-perform ang email campaigns mo in real life. Ang dashboard ay nagpa-provide ng overview ng key metrics tulad ng open rates, click-through rates, at subscriber growth. Ang at-a-glance view na to ay nakakatulong sa iyo to stay on top of your email marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions. Bukod sa dashboard, may detailed reports din ang Flodesk that provides deeper insights into your email campaigns. Makikita mo kung paano nagpe-perform ang mga individual emails, track subscriber engagement, and identify trends over time. Napaka-importante ng info na to para ma-optimize ang email marketing strategy mo at siguraduhin na nag-resonate ang emails mo sa iyong audience. Sa real-time analytics at detailed reports, you can make informed decisions about your email marketing strategy. Halimbawa, kung mapapansin mong mas pataas ang open rates ng certain types of emails, you can create more of that content. Kung nakikita mong bumababa ang engagement after the third email in a sequence, you can experiment with different timing or content to keep your subscribers engaged. Next, pag-usapan natin ang simple pricing structure. Isa sa standout feature ng Flodesk ay ang simple at transparent na pricing structure nito. Hindi tulad ng ibang email marketing platforms that change based on the number of subscribers or the volume of emails sent, Flodesk offers a flat rate with no hidden fees. Ibig sabihin nito, pwede ka mag-add as many subscribers as you like without incurring additional costs. For just $35 a month, billed annually, makakakuha ka ng access sa lahat ng email marketing tools ng Flodesk. Remember, kung gagamitin mo ang link namin sa description, makakakuha ka ng 50% off for a whole year. Kasama na dito ang unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, at lahat ng design at automation features. Walang komplikadong pricing tiers to navigate and you won't be penalized for growing your email list. Kung gusto mong i-integrate ang e-commerce sa iyong email marketing, nag-o-offer ang Flodesk ng additional package for $24 per month billed annually. Kasama sa package na to ang tools that will help you manage and promote your online store, seamlessly integrating your email marketing efforts with your e-commerce strategy. Sa kabuuan, ang pricing structure ng Flodesk ay hindi lang simple at transparent, kundi sobrang cost-effective para sa mga negosyo na gustong palawakin ang kanilang email marketing efforts. With no limits on the number of subscribers at the flat rate pricing model, Flodesk provides exceptional value and allows you to grow your email list nang walang kahit anong financial penalties. In conclusion, ang Flodesk ay isang excellent na email marketing tool that combines beautiful design with an intuitive user interface. It focuses on aesthetics, ease of use, and powerful automation features that make it a great choice for business of all sizes. Kahit na ikaw ay isang seasoned marketer or just getting started, Flodesk provides all the tools you need to create stunning emails, build consistency, and engage your audience effectively. Kung meron ka mga tanong o comment, mag-iwan ka lang sa baba. Salamat sa panonood at magkita-kita tayo next time.